In this walkthrough, we'll explore the new end-user admin interface in IQNECT. You'll learn how to navigate between tenants, manage users and permissions, and configure systems, SSO, and resources within the new menu-driven layout. Once you log into the admin UI, you'll see a list of tenants you have access to. Select a tenant you want to manage. There are two types of tenants, the admin side and the user side. Each comes with its own set of permissions and available menus. When logged in as a user, you'll only see the Details menu. As an admin, you'll have access to all available menus and full functionality across the interface. Let's walk through each section to understand what it controls and how to manage it. The Details page looks identical on both the admin and user sides. It displays company information such as the logo, name, SSO email domains, and license expiration date. To make changes, click the three-dot menu in the upper right. Here you can edit most fields, but note that company name cannot be changed. Also, using the delete button here doesn't remove the tenant entirely, it simply deactivates it. Click the Send Usage Report button to generate a usage report. You can select start and end date and add recipients for email delivery. The report will be sent via email as a downloadable file. The Systems menu shows the Codebeamer system that your tenant is connected to. You can view the configuration options for Codebeamer, edit them, and view the integration credentials. You can also add new systems or delete existing ones. Be aware, unlike tenants, deleting a system here permanently removes it. It's not just deactivating. Under SSO configurations, you'll see which single sign-on setups are currently in place. From here, you can edit or delete existing configurations. Click Add SSO configuration to create a new one, and toggle which ones are active. The form includes multiple configurable fields to support different identity providers and authentication flows. The Group menu lists all configured groups and their members. Admins can add, edit, or delete groups and define permissions for each one. Group permissions determine what each set of users can access within IQNECT, helping maintain a structured access hierarchy. More on permissions in the Users tab. The Users menu displays everyone who has access to IQNECT within the tenant. You can add new users, edit existing ones, manage permissions, or deactivate. Select Permissions to open their entitlement view. Here you'll see both direct and inherited permissions. Direct permissions are typically empty unless explicitly assigned. Inherited permissions come from group membership. A key column here is Entity Type, which defines what the user can access, such as an AI prompt template, AI snippet, or document task. When you create a permission, you can specify a particular entity type, ID, action, or use star to apply all entities. Each permission can also have an expiration date or remain open for indefinite access. The Resource Shapes menu manages the link between IQNECT resources and Codebeamer resources. You can view resource details, properties, and mapping rules in existing resources, or add new resource shapes by entering the name, title, parent resource, and description. At this time, AI prompt templates is not available for customers. The Snippets section contains a set of predefined code or text snippets used by IQNECT. You can add or edit snippets by specifying the name, description, and text. Snippets leverage prompt-based activation to insert reusable code or template structures when triggered. The Vocabulary menu supports importing and managing terminology lists. A downloadable example is provided to show you what a vocabulary term should look like. Once you create or modify your vocabulary file, import it to make it available in the interface. You can add individual terms, bulk upload a file, and search existing entries using the search bar for quick access. You can also add a term directly by defining the term and definition. When you're finished, use the button in the bottom left corner to log out of the admin interface. The new end-user admin UI provides clear menus and improved control over configuration, access, and resource management without a steep learning curve. With intuitive structure and consistent functionality, administrators can manage IQNECT environments efficiently from a single interface.